I'd now like to show you a feature called Relief Mirror Merge. What this does, it mirrors a relief and it also blends the two reliefs together to make one relief. So here we have a hawk's head that I have just put off centre for this particular relief, and here is the relief mirror merge. So I'm going to click that, and I have all different options, so I could go left over right, right over left, top over bottom, or bottom over top. So if I were to go, let's say, top over bottom, just open this box out a little bit and apply that, there you can see it's mirrored to the bottom. I could undo that and bottom over top, it would give me that. Right over left, I could do it again, so it would give me that. Just undo all of these and go mirror left over right, so it gives me two heads on this particular hawk. So you could create some quite interesting reliefs just using this relief mirror merge.